Once upon a time, in a small town in India, there was a young man named Arjun. Arjun grew up in a modest family. His parents were farmers, and they worked hard every day to provide for their family. Arjun always dreamed of a better life, but he knew that dreams alone weren't enough. He needed to work hard and make smart choices. One thing that Arjun understood was that if he wanted to make a difference in his life, learning English could help him reach places others couldn't. As a child, Arjun was always curious about the world outside his village. He watched English movies on TV and listened to English songs, though he didn't understand much. What caught his attention the most was how people who spoke English seemed to get better jobs, travel to different countries, and even live in big cities. He realized that English was more than just a language. It was a key to success. Arjun decided to take the first step towards learning English. He didn't have money for expensive language courses, so he used what he had. He started by watching English TV shows with subtitles in his native language. Every time he heard a word he didn't understand, he wrote it down. At night, after finishing his work in the fields, he would spend hours in his small room, studying the words and their meanings. Little by little, he began to understand more and more. However, despite his hard work, Arjun still struggled with speaking. He knew the words but couldn't pronounce them correctly. Determined to improve, he found a group of young people in his town who were also learning English. They would meet once a week, practice speaking with each other, and help each other out. Arjun was shy at first, but the group was kind and patient. They practiced pronunciation, conversation, and listening skills together. One day, an opportunity arrived that Arjun couldn't ignore. A company in the city was looking for someone to work as an assistant in their office. The job required someone who could speak English, and Arjun knew this was his chance. But there was one problem. He wasn't confident in speaking yet. The thought of going for the interview made his heart race. Arjun almost gave up, but his mentor in the village, an old teacher who had helped him with his studies, encouraged him. "Arjun," he said, "you've worked hard. Don't let fear stop you now. The worst thing that could happen is that you don't get the job. But what if you do? What if this is your chance for a better life?" With the teacher's encouragement, Arjun decided to go for the interview. He prepared as much as he could, practicing speaking English every day. On the day of the interview, Arjun was nervous, but he held his head high and walked into the office building. The interviewer greeted him with a smile, and they began to speak in English. At first, Arjun stumbled over some words, but he didn't give up. He remembered all the things he had practiced, and slowly, he began to speak more confidently. The interviewer asked him about his background, and Arjun shared his story, how he had grown up in a village, learned English on his own, and worked hard to improve his skills. He explained that he was eager to learn and contribute to the company. To his surprise, the interviewer seemed impressed. She could see that Arjun wasn't just looking for a job. He was looking for an opportunity to grow. She offered him the position on the spot, saying, Your determination and willingness to learn are exactly what we need." Arjun couldn't believe it. He had gotten the job. The company provided him with training, and over time, his English skills improved even further. He learned not only from the company's training programs, but also from speaking with colleagues and clients. His confidence grew, and soon he was given more responsibilities. He moved from being an assistant to a project manager and started traveling to different countries for work. Years passed, and Arjun's life changed completely. He was no longer a small-town farmer. He was now working in a well-established company, earning a good salary, and living in a big city. He could speak fluent English, and his work took him to places he had only dreamed of. He traveled to the United States, the United Kingdom, and even to Australia, meeting people from different cultures and learning from them. Arjun never forgot his roots. He remembered the long hours spent studying English in his small room and the struggles he faced along the way. But he also knew that learning English had opened doors for him that he would never have imagined. It was the key to his success and wealth. One day, Arjun decided to give back to his community. He returned to his village and started an English learning program for young people. He shared his story with them, hoping to inspire others to believe in the power of English. English is not just a language, he told them. It's a tool that can change your life, just like it changed mine. And so, Arjun's journey continued, not only as a successful businessman, but also as a mentor to others. His story became a living example of how learning English could lead to success, wealth, and a brighter future.